guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can tailor the waist of a pair of jeans. Now this method works for pretty much anything that has a waistband, whether it's jeans, shorts, skirts, or just trousers in general. So I really hope you guys find it useful. But if you're shaped like me, you might find it's a common problem that you get kind of this bucket back effect on a lot of items of clothing. So for me, my legs like a bigger size to my waist, and this is always an issue in trying to tailor them because you actually need that waist to be a certain size to get it over your hips and butt. And so if you tailor it officially, I then can't get my trousers on. So for it to be a flush fit to my waist, I have to use a few alternative methods, which I'm going to be showing to you guys today. So you may have seen on other social medias, there's other methods you can do. So the typical is take the button of your jeans and you put it through the first belt loop, and then you're trying to fiddle that button then through the buttonhole. And this method takes me so many attempts to actually do up because you get so much material gathered behind the button, and it's a bit of a fiddly nightmare in my opinion. Then you've got the other method where you take a shoelace and you take either belt buckle loop behind you and you tie a bow. This method is quite effective and it works really well on larger size jeans if you're wearing them with jumpers and things like that, but I think it just looks a bit messy. You can still see that the jeans are way too big, you can see the shoelace, and it's just not very flush. You know, I think it can be done with a bit more finesse. And so that's what today's video is going to be, an alternative method to those original ones that you just saw earlier in the video. So for this method, all you're going to need is a shoelace, a pair of scissors or something sharp to cut a hole with, and then either a safety pin or a bobby pin. So you literally just need 3 kind of items, and you can tailor your jeans. So let's get to it. Before you begin this method, you're going to want to lay out your shorts, jeans or skirt inside out onto a surface you're happy to cut on. So you're going to need a shoelace or a piece of string or a ribbon that you can tie around your waist and tie a bow. So you want to make sure you check the length of it first because it's going to be different for everyone. Then you're going to need a sharp pair of scissors, and then a safety pin or a bobby pin that you can attach to the end of your string or your ribbon or whatever you're using to tie around your waist. Then the first step is to check the waistband of your item and make sure there's no labels obstructing the way anywhere around it. So what you should be able to find is that your waistband has 2 pieces of fabric, one on the front and then one on the back, so it should almost be a tube. So you just want to check this is the case because we're going to put the shoelace in between those 2 pieces of fabric. So the first thing you want to do is take your scissors. You're going to make a small incision near the kind of front of your trousers, so near the button and then near the buttonhole. So you only want this incision to go through one side of the fabric. So you can see you've got one side here and one side here. We're going to just snip on the inside portion. So you want to make sure you separate those 2 like that. And then you're just going to do a very little snip, just big enough for the shoelace and safety pin to go nicely through. So just like that. And then I'm going to do the same again on this side of my shorts. So I'm just going to pinch the fabric and make sure I'm not going all the way through. So I'm just going to take a little pinch there so you can see one side is there and one side is there. So you don't want to go all the way through, otherwise it will show on the outside of your shorts, which isn't what we want. So a nice little incision like that. Then take your shoelace, you're going to put the safety pin on the end of it. So just slide that on like that, and then poke that through one of your incisions. So just like this, so it will disappear. And what you want to do is you want to wiggle this safety pin all around your shorts. So you kind of use that as the feeder. So you just kind of ruche your shorts and pull. So you just like, you're wiggling that safety pin around the waistband. And you want to do this all the way around until it comes out the other hole you've made. And once you're nearing the other side, you want to just poke your safety pin through the other hole you made and pull that through. So you can see you now should have the shoelace going round the entirety of your shorts. So you should have one end coming out either side. So now you can take the safety pin off once you've kind of pulled enough of the shoelace through that it's not going to disappear, like so. And now put them on. So now you should have something like this where you have a shoelace coming out either side. So just tie that around your waist however tight you like it, and just tuck in the ends of the shoelace then into your jeans, skirt or shorts. You can always tidy these up at a later date. And now do your trousers up as normal. And voila, you should have perfectly fitting trousers or shorts. So what the shoelace does is it just pulls in that waistband, but it pulls it in all the way around. So it's not just going to look great from the front, from the side or from the back. It has actually tailored that waistband. So you can still get them on without any issue because you haven't actually made the waist any smaller. You've just given an added kind of way of drawing in the waist. It's almost like a built-in belt, but it's a hidden belt. So no one knows that you're basically wearing, yeah, an internal belt within your trousers. So it's ideal. Like I love this method so much because it's very clean. You don't see that you've done anything to the shorts or the trousers, but it works. So no, I thought I had to share. So that's all I got for you guys today, but I really hope you found this DIY useful. All you need is a shoelace, scissors and a safety pin, and you can make pretty much, you know, any pair of shorts, skirt or trousers fit as long as they have that kind of double waistband. So I really hope you guys found this useful. I'll link all my social media down below if you'd like to follow me on any of those. But I hope you're doing well and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.